Welcome to our guide on the Illinois property tax appeal process for 2026. There is an important new law this year that every homeowner needs to know. You now have exactly 30 business days after receiving your assessment notice to file an appeal. In this presentation, we will explain the new law, walk you through the appeal process step by step, and show you how to build a winning evidence package. Whether you own a home in Cook County, DuPage, Lake, or anywhere else in Illinois, this guide is for you. Here is the biggest change for 2026. Under the Illinois Property Tax Code, specifically Section 35 ILCS 200/16-55, property owners now have a uniform deadline of 30 business days from the date of their assessment notice to file an appeal with the County Board of Review. This replaces the old system where deadlines varied from county to county. As stated on the official Illinois Property Tax Appeal Board website at ptab.illinois.gov, this ensures every property owner has the same clear deadline. Missing this window means you will have to wait until the next assessment cycle. What exactly starts the clock? Your 30 business day deadline begins when you receive your assessment notice from your county assessor. This notice typically arrives by mail between late spring and early summer. It shows your property's current assessed value, any changes from last year, and the deadline to appeal. As explained on the Cook County Assessor website at cookcountyassessor.com, you must review this notice immediately upon receipt. Do not set it aside thinking you will deal with it later. The clock starts ticking the day that notice lands in your mailbox. To appeal effectively, you need to understand how Illinois property assessment works. Residential property in Illinois is assessed at 33.33% of its fair market value. Your assessed value is then multiplied by the state equalization factor and your local tax rate to determine your final tax bill. If you believe your assessment exceeds a third of your property's actual market value, you have valid grounds to appeal. The full legal framework is available under 35 ILCS 200, the Illinois Property Tax Code, which you can find on the Illinois General Assembly website at ilgi.gov. The appeal process has 5 steps. Step 1. Receive your assessment notice and mark your 30 business day deadline on your calendar. Step 2. Gather your evidence including comparable sales, photographs, and any professional appraisals. Step 3. File Form P-Tax-230, the appeal to the Board of Review with your County Board of Review. The form is available from your county assessor or online at ptab.illinois.gov. Step 4. Attend a hearing if one is scheduled. Step 5. Receive the board's decision. If you are denied, you can further appeal to the Illinois Property Tax Appeal Board. Your evidence package is the most important part of your appeal. Include comparable property sales from your neighborhood within the past 12 to 18 months. These carry the most weight with the board. Also include a professional appraisal or broker price opinion, photographs showing any deferred maintenance or damage, and a detailed description of your property highlighting factors that reduce its value. The Illinois Legal Aid online website at illinoislegalaid.org has a detailed guide on what evidence the Board of Review looks for. Remember, the burden of proof is on you as the property owner. If your appeal moves forward, you may have a hearing before the County Board of Review. If you appeal further, your case goes to the Illinois Property Tax Appeal Board, known as PTAB. Hearings are informal but professional. You present your evidence, explain why the assessment is too high, and the board members may ask questions. You can represent yourself or hire an attorney or tax consultant. PTAB hearings are held in Springfield or by video conference. Visit ptab.illinois.gov for hearing schedules and guidelines. The PTAB is independent from the assessor, which ensures a fair and impartial review. Let us talk about real numbers. A successful appeal can save you thousands of dollars. For example, if your home is overassessed by $50,000 in market value, that translates to roughly $16,500 in excess assessed value. With a typical combined Illinois tax rate of around 7 to 8%, you could save approximately $1,200 to $1,400 per year. Over 5 years, that is $6,000 to $7,000 in savings, and the reduction applies every year until the assessment increases again. The effort of filing is minimal compared to the potential return on your investment of time. Here is your call to action. The 30 business day window starts the moment your assessment notice arrives. Open it, review it, and act immediately. Gather comparable sales, take photographs, and file Form P-Tax-230 with your County Board of Review before the deadline. If you need help, visit the Illinois Property Tax Appeal Board website at ptab.illinois.gov for guides, forms, and contact information. Illinois Legal Aid Online at illinoislegalaid.org also offers free resources. Scan the QR code on this slide for direct access to the official PTAB filing guide. Do not wait. Every day counts.